IELTS exam. Part 1. Small talk. Remember. In this part of the exam, give 2 to 3 sentence answers only. Let's talk about where you live. Do you live in a house or an apartment? Who do you live with? What's your favorite room in your home? Why? What would you like to change about your home? Let's talk about what you do. Do you work or do you study? Where do you study? What subject are you studying? Why did you choose this subject? Is it a difficult subject to study? Let's talk about books. Do you like reading books? What's your favorite book? Do you read paper books or e-books? Thank you. This is the end of part 1.